Have you discovered the incredible benefits of eating carrots, or do you assume they are just any old vegetable? Well, your assumptions need to be more accurate about carrots. As we continue, we encourage you to please like, share and subscribe to watch more of this video. Carrots are well-fortified fruits that largely have numerous benefits when eaten raw or cooked. Follow this video to see the benefits. Carrots promotes good sight. Yes, carrots are fortified with vitamin A in recommended quantities, and vitamin A is one of the most needed to enhance good vision. When you eat carrots, you benefit from nutrients in abundance. To maintain good vision, eating more carrots prevents blindness and sight deterioration, because insufficient vitamin A can disrupt the normal chemical process used for vision. Carrots promote liver health and eliminate toxins. Carrots are studied to contain glutathione antioxidants, which have been found to have the ability to treat liver damage caused by oxidative stress. Carrots are also high in plant flavonoids and beta-carotene, stimulating and supporting general liver function. The beta-carotene in carrots may also help in tackling liver diseases. Reduction of cancer risk. Carrots are rich in several phytochemicals that have been studied to fight against cancer. Some of these compounds include beta-carotene and other carotenoids, which help form fortification against cancer and provide immunity by activating some proteins that help to inhibit cancer cells. Another thing that carrots do is combat leukemia. Also, carrots containing carotenoids may help reduce the risk of prostate, stomach, colon, lung, and breast cancers in women. Carrots enhances hair growth. Carrots are very high in the supply of vitamins A and C, carotenoids, potassium, and other antioxidants, which suggests they can aid hair growth, especially for people with scanty hair. However, you should do more research on this. Carrots may help in weight loss. Fresh and raw carrots contain almost 88% of water. A medium carrot contains only 25% calories, which means that when you eat raw carrots, or add them to your diet, you are saving yourself from calorie buildup that leads to weight gain. Moreover, carrots contain fiber that helps to add satiety to your food, whether blended or whole carrots. Carrots help in regulating blood pressure. It is revealed that carrot juice contributes to a 5% reduction in systolic blood pressure. The nutrients in carrot juice are potassium, fiber, vitamin A, and nitrates, which help reduce blood pressure. So eating carrots if you already have HBP is recommended to help you reduce it, and if you don't, help you prevent it. Carrots promote healthy teeth and gums. Carrots help in promoting oral cleanliness. Many hold the opinion that carrots may also help in promoting fresh and healthy breaths. However, these claims have not been verified scientifically. Many who have tried them have proven it to be true because, based on anecdotal evidence, carrots are suggested to have properties that neutralize the citric and malic acids that are usually left in the mouth, and this makes carrot consumption helps in promoting the oral health when you chew it raw. Carrots may promote skin health. Since it is known that carrots are high in carotenoids, they can help to improve the radiance of the skin and add to its glow and make you look younger than your age. However, when you overconsume carrots, or other fruit or vegetables that contain high carotenoids, you are prone to having a health condition known as carotenemia, which makes the skin yellow or orange-like in appearance. Carrots for diabetes treatment. One of the benefits of carrots is that they are capable of helping in maintaining a healthy weight that can help check and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. According to studies, low blood levels of vitamin A are diagnosed in individuals with diabetes. The abnormalities in glucose metabolism need an increased need to fight oxidative stress. Only antioxidant vitamin A is a rescue mission for that through carrots consumption, because they are rich in fiber and can improve glucose metabolism in diabetic patients. Carrots help strengthen of bones. Vitamin A influences bone cell metabolism. Carotenoids are known to improve bone health. However, these claims have no direct research stating that carrots help improve bone health. However, the vitamin A nutrients in it could facilitate this. You can go on to study more on this. Carrots lower cholesterol levels. According to studies on rats, carrot consumption can help reduce cholesterol absorption and increase the antioxidant in the body system. These effects on the body's system can also help to facilitate cardiovascular health. In addition, raw carrots are also rich in a fiber called pectin that may help lower cholesterol in the body, helping maintain a healthy cholesterol level. Carrots help to boost immunity. Vitamin A helps to regulate the functioning of the system. Besides that, it helps in the prevention of infections, and this is done by boosting your body's immunity. Carrots also contain vitamin C, which contributes to the production of collagen and helps heal wounds. There should be no limit to how we protect our health, because how healthy we are is determined by our level of activeness, productivity, vigor, and physical, mental, and emotional alertness. As individuals, some of the things we sometimes overlook are the core things we should be seen doing, and this lackadaisical attitude most times affects our eating habits. Many think that eating is just about getting the stomach filled in whatever way, without considering the quality of what they consume. If you want to see more of this, don't hesitate to contact us at Healthy Life Side. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 6 ways Kangen water improves your health. And please like, share and subscribe to our channel to have access to other similar videos. If you want to learn more about Kangen water, we've got a bunch of videos about it on our channel, some articles on our blog, and even an entire page dedicated to our experience with it. Or, if you prefer, you can always drop us a line, and we'll be more than happy to point you in the right direction.